All right, friends, it's time for us to go on our African safari. First things first, we have to practice marching in place. So let's do that right now. March, 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 march. We're marching through the jungle. March, march, marching through the leaves. March, march, seeing lots of animals. March, march, hiding in the trees. March, march, and freeze. Now when you're doing this in your home, you can march all the way around your room. You can march over and around things. But for me, I'm gonna stay right where I am so you can still see me. Here we go. Freeze. Oh my goodness. What do I see? I see a slithering snake in 1, 2, 3. Let me see what your slithering snake looks like. Does your slithering snake wiggle and wriggle like a snake? Let me see you turn your arms into a slithering snake. Wow, your slithering snake might be covered in scales. Is your slithering snake covered in scales? Slithering snakes have tongues that they stick out into the air to taste the air. Can I see your snake tongues? Slithering snakes like to slither down to the bottom of a tree. Ew. And then they like to slither all the way up to the top of the tree. Ew. And all the way down to the bottom. Ew. And up to the top. Ew. And down to the bottom. Ew. And up to the top. Ew. And down to the bottom. Ew. And back and forth. Ew. 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 Excellent job. Now, our slithering snakes make a certain sound. Makes the sound that the letter S makes. Can I hear you make that sound? Wow, all right. Now our slithering snakes are going to slither through the jungle. Here we go. We're slithering through the jungle. Slither, slither, slithering through the leaves. Seeing lots of animals, slither, slither, hiding in the trees, slither, slither, and freeze. Oh my goodness, what do I see? I see a hooting monkey in 1, 2, 3. What does your monkey look like? Does your monkey scratch its armpits? Does your monkey hop up and down? Well, let's practice hopping up and down as our monkeys. Let's make some monkey sounds. Wow, your monkeys are really, really fun. Sometimes monkeys eat bugs off of themselves. Or off each other. What else do monkeys like to eat? Oh, that's right. Monkeys like to eat bananas. I see an imaginary banana right over here. Can we reach up with our hand, find our imaginary banana, pluck it from the tree, and let's peel that banana. Take a big banana bite. Man, this banana is delicious. Let's take another banana bite. Man, this is getting so good. It's getting me really excited as a monkey. One more bite. Now, if we were still people, where would we put this banana peel? Would we throw it on the ground? No, we would put it in the trash. So let's see our imaginary jungle trash. Let's throw it in. 1, 2, 3. Wow, you guys are a really good shot. Excellent job. All right, now, monkeys like to swing on vines. Let me see your monkey swinging through the jungle. Swing, swing, swinging through the leaves. Swing, swing. Seeing lots of animals, swing, swing, hiding in the trees, swing, swing, and freeze. Oh my goodness. What do I see? I see an elephant in 1, 2, 3. Wow. Elephants have very long noses that they call, what are those called? Oh, it's called a trunk. Can I see your elephant trunk? Are elephants small or large? That's right, elephants can be very, very big And elephants have very big ears. Let me see your elephant ears. Elephants use their ears to flap and keep themselves nice and cool in the hot African sun. Let me see you keeping yourself nice and cool with your elephant ears. Excellent job. Wow. Something else that elephants like to do is slurp tasty water up into their trunks. And then spray themselves to keep themselves cool. Wow. They also like to slurp water up into their trunks to spray their brother, sister, or their parents to keep them nice and cool. Oh my goodness, you guys are kidding me. All right, let's do it one more time. All right, the final last time. Oh, wow. All right, we're thoroughly soaked through as our elephants. The elephants are so big that they stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Let me see you stomp. Here we go. We're stomping through the jungle. Stomping through the jungle. Stomping through the leaves. Seeing lots of animals hiding in the trees. And freeze! Oh my goodness. What do I see? I see a gliding giraffe. And 1, 2, 3. Let me see your giraffe. Wow, your giraffe has a very long, tall, and slim neck. And giraffes have such long legs. Let me see your long giraffe legs. Giraffes also have tails, and their tails swish. Let me hear your tail swish. Swish, 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 swish. The giraffes are so tall that they like to eat the leaves off of trees. Oh my goodness, what a tasty treat. But then they get a little thirsty. Whew, we've got some water down here. Let's take a nice sip of cool, refreshing water. I'm still hungry. Let's get some more leaves. And some more water. And some more leaves. And some more water. And leaves. And water. And leaves. And water. And leaves and water. Leaves and water. Now, giraffes' legs are so long that they glide. Here we go. Let's start gliding. We're gliding through the jungle. Glide, glide. Gliding through the leaves. Glide, glide. Seeing lots of animals. Glide, glide. Hiding in the trees. Glide, glide. And freeze. Oh my goodness. What do I see? I see a snapping crocodile. And 1, 2, 3. Wow, let me see your crocodile jaws. Wow, these crocodiles can open their jaws up really wide and snap them shut. These crocodiles have sharp teeth. Let me see your sharp teeth. Sometimes crocodiles grumble. Can I hear you grumble? Wow, our crocodiles can really open their jaws up and grumble at the same time. Maybe you caught something tasty. Crocodiles are covered in lumpy, bumpy lumps. Let me see you feel your lumpy, bumpy lumps. Ooh, crocodiles have very long tails. Let me see you move your long tail. Move it back again. And back one more time. Excellent. Now let's see if our snapping crocodiles can continue to snap, snap. Here we go. Snap, 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 snap. We're snapping through the jungle. Snap, snap. Snapping through the leaves. Snap, snap. Seeing lots of animals. Snap, snap. Hiding in the trees. Snap, snap. And freeze. Oh my goodness. What do I see? I see a prowling lion. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, let me see our lion prowling through the grasslands. Your lion might have really long teeth. Let me see your lion teeth. Let me see your lion paws. Whoa. Let me see your lion claws. Whoa. Wow. Some lions have manes. Does your lion have a mane? Let me see your lion mane if your lion has a mane. Some lions have tails. Let me see your lion tail. Now lions prowl through the jungle. Before we prowl, let's feel our lion fur. Oh, very soft lion fur up our lion legs. Here we go, prowling with those lion legs. I want to hear what your lion roar sounds like, but we're going to try it in 3 different ways. First, I want you to roar very quietly. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's a great way to use our inside voice. Now I want you to try the size between small and large, medium. Let's use our medium voice. 1, 2, 3. Roar. All right, now we're going to use our loud voice on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Roar. Ooh, very scary lions. And freeze. Excellent job. All right, lions, now we're ready to prowl. We're prowling through the jungle. Prowling through the leaves. Seeing lots of animals. Hiding in the trees. Prowl and freeze. Oh my goodness. What do I see? I see a human. And 1, 2, 3. Let me see your human body. Let's shake off our animal paws. Shake off our animal claws. Let's shake off our animal arms. And our animal legs. Let's start with this one first. Shake off your other animal leg. Shake off your animal face. And shake off your animal tail. All right. We're back to being ourselves.